Have you changed the timing belt on a 1.8 liter Mazda engine only to find that it won't start? There's a common reason why, and that's what I'll be discussing on this next episode of Inside the Brands. Hi, I'm Paul Switer, Brand Manager at CRP Automotive. I'm here to talk about a known issue with the 2001 through 2005 Mazda Miata 1.8 liter engines. These engines use a sensor plate that sits behind the crankshaft pulley. This plate is critical to proper timing and functioning of that engine. Not only that, the plate itself is directional. Here's what I mean by that. Unless you mount that plate in the correct orientation, the engine will not start. So here's what we recommend. Before you remove this plate, mark the forward face so that it's easily identifiable. Now, if you didn't identify the front of the plate before you removed it, you can check the marks on the plate from the crankshaft pulley and the pulley boss. The crankshaft pulley has a larger diameter and is the front of the plate. By identifying which face should be facing front, you'll be able to reinstall it in the correct orientation. Just a simple tip that should help you avoid a no-start situation with the 2001 through 2005 Mazda 1.8 liter engine. If you're looking for a complete timing belt kit for this engine, look no further than the ContiTech Pro Series and Pro Series Plus lines of timing kits. Want to know more about ContiTech timing kits or have any questions about the other brands brought to you by CRP Automotive? I invite you to post your question on our Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more Inside the Brands episodes like this one. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.